As we wake up on a very chilly morning, Rich. Oh my
Cold.
goodness.
I mean, if you're not dealing with snow, you're dealing with some really chilly temperatures.
The cold is universal. The
Yeah.
snow, mainly from Seattle, Bremerton southward, and it's light snow, which is good. And in a way, it's good that we have that because it means it's still cloudy, and that's limiting the cooling of the roadways, which some of them are still wet from yesterday. Some were wet, still wet this morning, for that matter. I was driving in. It was near the Sound along the waterfront. It was gently misting rather than snowing, and my car thermometer said 28. I said, this is not a good combination. Yeah, seriously. If the skies were clear, it would be a sheet of ice, but fortunately we do have the clouds for now. Sun's coming out later, not going to warm us up much. In fact, probably not at all. Take a look out right now. You can see those areas of showers, and they're very light showers or flurries that are moving through, and like we've been seeing for the last 24 hours, the amount of water in these, most of the places that saw that round of snow yesterday morning got only like 2 or 3/100 of an inch of actual water in there, but it expands a lot when you see it as snow, that's for sure. See this little band working its way northward through the Sound. It's going to dissipate as it moves northward. That's pretty much going to all wrap up as we head towards mid-morning, and then we'll see clearing as we head towards late morning and this afternoon. Those north winds already blowing and gusting in 25 to 35 miles per hour around the Sound. Generally, wind gusts in the 40s as you get up there towards Whatcom and San Juan counties. The marina kind of protected, so you just see the water rippling there. It doesn't look too severe, but we check Meridian High School up there in Whatcom County. Currently at 19 degrees, that wind blowing northeast at 18 with a wind chill of 4. It was down to 1 just a couple minutes ago, and I saw a little bit earlier this morning, -6 for a wind chill, and we have those wind chills not that low, but that's going to make that cold that we have around western Washington feel that much colder. Checking the tower cam there in Everett, you can see it moving a little bit. That flag definitely flapping in the breeze, and we've been watching the camera. It looks like it's on a pogo stick down there in Tacoma, the way it's jumping around this morning. You see those temperatures really cold. This is putting our wind chills down into the teens. So we're mostly in the mid to upper 20s to right near 30 degrees, except for those upper teens without a wind chill up there in Whatcom and San Juan counties. Take a look at our first alert weather day. In fact, this is going to extend all the way through early on Saturday morning, and it's basically the temperatures, just very cold temperatures. Adding in the winds, it's going to be wind chills down into the teens and even single digits around western Washington generally, it looks like, with this. And you can see the cold air kind of streaming out of British Columbia, and as it goes out over the water, you get this little deck of clouds. You can see that load's going to drop southward. We're going to clear out to some sunshine as we head towards later on today. So the flurries will go away. Temperatures today only in the low to mid 30s for highs. Tomorrow morning, our coldest morning, mid-teens to low to maybe a few mid-20s are going to be the warmest. Record for tomorrow at SeaTac 24, set back in 2011. We're probably going to break that. Not quite as cold, but still cold Saturday morning. We do warm in the afternoon, but system moves in late Saturday. Right now it looks like a mix of rain and snow. Some of the places that trap the cold air will start as snow. Should turn to rain briefly Sunday before it goes back to a rain-snow mix. We'll look for the showers to decrease with some clearing Sunday. Mix of rain and snow showers Monday. Fewer showers, but still that cool temperatures where it's going to be a rain-snow mix all the way through Tuesday. We get a break Wednesday with temperatures in the mid-40s for highs, which may seem balmy after the next couple of days.